Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do what's new on my bead mat, finished jewelry, for just random pieces that I made using all different bead boxes and everything. I love having those days where I just sit in my bead room, put on a show that, you know, I've seen a million times, so I don't really have to watch it, but it's just in the background and just having fun. So we're going to start out. I have a lot of pairs of earrings, and I also have, I think, 3 necklace earring sets. So I'm starting out with this one. I thought these were really cool. I just kind of intertwined the square tile beads and then just kind of connected them. That's the other side. And then I wanted to add the yellow and black just for something fun. And then I added a black ear wire. So I thought these turned out really cool. These kind of have just a different look to them. I've been doing some craft shows, art shows, and these have really, my earrings have been really selling pretty well there. So it's been fun. You know, I have a lot of my stuff up on Etsy, but then sometimes you just want to make jewelry and not have to list it. And that's what craft shows are great for. So, yeah, so I have this pair, and then I made these pair. These are really pretty. These are from back of these are adornable elements, these beads. These were from back, I think these are from back in the December box of 2023. And then these grayish ones were from, I don't know, sometime last year. I can't even remember. Then I just used my 11-0 seed beads. And that's the back of it. But these were a lot of fun to make. I just put some gold ear wires on it. And next, these were fun. These almost kind of look like a spade to me. Like, you know, a deck of cards, the black spade. Kind of have that, I think it's that bottom part there. But yeah, I had a lot of fun making these. And this is the back. It's pretty much still the same, but it's just, these are adornable elements, the super duos, and I think those are parpucas. I have to look up the name of those. But yeah, so these are fun to make. Then, sorry, I'm choking here. Then here, I'll show you one of my necklace sets that I made. This, let me see, I want to make sure I get I think that's the front of it. Yeah. So I made that little, this is one of the beads from the bargain bead box for December, if I'm not mistaken. And then these are some of the dollar bead box fire polish beads. And then some of the adornable elements super duos. And then I just kind of, and these were some of the seed beads, I think, from the dollar bead box. And I just kind of intertwined everything. Did this, and then I also made these earrings to go with it. So I love the way these turned out. They're so pretty. So yeah, that was a fun jewelry set to make. I ended up, because I made the earrings first, and then when I made the pendant for the necklace, that's when I ended up putting that bead in there, and I was like, oh, I should have put it in the earrings too. But I had already made them, and I didn't want to take them apart. Okay, so here's some other earrings. These are just kind of funky little things. They've got little petals on the bottom. They're made with all the different two-hole beads from Adornable Elements, and then just some of my regular seed beads. That's the backing of it. Just kind of intertwined. It's just kind of a simple pair, but I like that little bottom on it. And I just sewed a wire guard over on it to hang the ear wires from. I've got those. Then I got these. These are really cute. Oh, I cannot clear my throat today. And these are my super duos, and then I think the orange ones were from Adornable Elements, I think back in the December 2023 box. And then just my blue seed beads, the 11-Os. I love these blue beads. They're so pretty. And that's the back side. Just a fun pair. And then these were really fun to make too. These were Adornable Elements as well. I don't know if they were November or December back in 2023. And then I used my green seed beads. I did 11-Os, and I think those are 8-Os or 10-Os. I think those are 10-Os. I thought these were fun. And here's the back. There's so much you can do with, with beads. Like, you can just get so creative and make stuff. Okay, this is really pretty. I love the way this turned out. Hold on, let me figure out before I show you. I think this is the front of it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the earrings first. I made these really pretty earrings, cute little star earrings, using fire polish beads from Dollar Bead Box, and then the two-hole beads from Adornable Elements, and then just some of my 11-O seed beads. So I made these, and then this is the necklace that it goes with. So I made this then. I love the way this turned out. I thought this was so pretty. Let me lay this down. And then these are the pearls from, and then these were those little flower beads. I use them as spacers. I love using these as spacers because look at how much, like, they add a bunch of texture to your jewelry. So it's not, I like different shapes and styles when I'm making things. That's what makes your jewelry, unique from other, store-bought jewelry, or, just other people's jewelry in general. So yeah, so we have these. I love the way this one turned out. I might put that one up on Etsy. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell that at a craft fair or not. We shall see. And then I have these little stars. And these were from Adornable Elements, and then my seed beads. So you see those are the half moon ones, the pink ones. That's the back side of them. I love the way these turned out. So much fun. Let me get a drink here. Okay, I'm going to put those right there. And then I'll show you these star earrings. These are fun too. I love mixing all the different colors and shapes together. I made these. These are adornable elements for sure. And I just did the silver wire guard on there. And then last but not least, let me get this and figure out, okay, this definitely, I could tell. Okay, I'll start with the earrings. These are cute. These kind of have a little turtle shape to them. For some reason, they look like the butt of a turtle. I think it's these little petal beads. No, these are really cute. And then I just used some of my 8-ohs, some of fire polish beads, some of these were from Adornable Elements, and I think the Super Duos were too. The fire polish beads were from Dollar Bead Box, and that's the back of it. But these are so cute. And then this is the pendant that I made. So it's a little different, but not too different to go with it. So I loved the like turquoise kind of, it's like a turquoisey green. I think when I think of turquoise, I think of blue, but it's kind of like a turquoise green. And then I mixed the purple and gold with it. I thought it turned out really pretty. I loved, you know, I'm going to do more jewelry with this mix. So I have these little ones here. Let me lay these babies down. And then I will show you. This is this, and this is the back side of it. So we got this. And then all this. And then I just did a gold clasp. And so this is all my latest jewelry that I have been working on in my bead room. Let me know down in the comments what you guys have been working on and what's your favorite bead box. If you have one that you pick. I love them all. I have so much fun because I like combining them. I do the videos and try and stick to one box just to help people, you know, and then I like to go crazy and just, you know, lay everything out and just have a blast. I hope you guys are having fun in your bead room, and let me know what you've been working on. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I have lots of tutorials coming up, and hopefully it's going to be a really busy year in my bead room, because that's a good year. So I will leave links to my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram, and my Etsy store if you want to follow me on there. And I will leave links to Adornable Elements, Dollar Bead Box, and I think that was it. And anything else, I will leave links to too if I can figure out anything I used on here that I'm not thinking of right now. And I will see you on my next video. You all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.